Jake Legui knows the fields of his Saskatchewan grain farm well, the same land his family has harvested for 3 generations. Legui hopes to eventually transfer the land to his 3 sons, but with rising costs to enter the farming business, including taxes, he's concerned that might be challenging.
They're going to be paying more when it comes time to make the next transition to Generation 4. So, it's a long-term concern, but it's something we're definitely already thinking about.
Farmers like Legui are speaking out over changes to the capital gains tax. Until last week, only 50% of profits or capital gains were taxable. Now 66% of profits will be taxed. The value of Canadian farmland has been soaring in recent years, and that's making it lucrative for non-farmer investors to buy up properties. National agriculture groups say that's creating steep startup costs for young people looking to begin farming.
This will only accelerate that because it's going to increase the cost for that next generation that are looking to take over. And if they don't have the means or the funds to be able to take over, large corporate farms are gonna move in and buy up all that land.
Grain Growers of Canada calculates a typical farm in Ontario purchased in the 1990s would sell for about $15 million today. That would mean more than $13 million in profits. Under the old system, the farmer would pay $3.8 million, but with the changes, that amount goes up to $4.9 million. This farm tax expert says every farmer's situation is different, but says some are having to revisit retirement plans.
And it's caused some stressful conversations amongst some particular clients and people in the industry.
But the federal finance minister says there are allowances to make it easier. When a farm changes hands, the first $1.25 million of capital gains is tax exempt. The increase only applies to anything over and above that.
You are actually going to be better off under the new system than you were previously if you are a founding farmer or entrepreneur.
Jake Legui isn't so sure. He hopes the next generation of farmers is taxed at the original rate. Alexander Silberman, CBC News, near Fillmore, Saskatchewan.